if you were running on the road and then you could like switch to this real quick and then go back to the road.
It's December 6th, and we're out here in Ridgecrest, and Jerry Bue's running the 30K here, so he should be coming down this road in the next few minutes. We'll see him coming right down here. You got it.
Good, Jerry.
Got to keep going. Almost, you're going to take the second left up here. Keep going, Jerry. You're third place, Jerry. You're third. Good job, buddy. It's 10 o'clock even right here. So tell me about that sand. Matt said there was quite a bit of sand out there for about 2 miles. How'd that go?
Pretty rough in certain sections, especially like mile 8 to 13. There's sandy up there.
It was tough, right? Did you have to walk some of it?
Yeah.
You did?
Little bits and parts, not much.
Wow, wow.
I didn't walk much.
Good
But
job.
I did stop for 2 Jills, and that was during a little walk break, and that took a little time. So.
And there's only 2 people ahead of you, I know that for sure.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, just 2.
Third overall then, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Yes, you were. Good job, Jerry.
That's tough. View.
You?
Here you go, Jerry.